Hello, friends. So you're here to hang lights like a pro. Well, first you're going to have to start out with measuring. And then design. Boom, 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 bang. That's what we're doing. 20 feet each time. Got 60 feet of string light to hang up. This is the little kit I found on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. You can go and get it. It was pretty simple. You got hooks. You got loops. And here I am installing one of the loops to begin the run. Just 2 screws. Find it where you want to put it on your wall or post or whatever you want to do. You just gotta follow your design. Watch me struggle to screw in these cheap Chinese screws.
China.
If you had to put some pressure on them, make sure you got a good bit because they will strip. And I am not in love with the stripper. Here we got another angle of putting on the loops. These will be the anchors of your runs. So if you got 2 runs, you're going to need 4 anchors. You go there and back, and there and back. Pretty self-explanatory. The kit does come with carabiners to get the middle runs. You just loop the wire right through it and on to the next. And you're going to end with the turnbuckles. Definitely want to take some advice from me right here. Do not clip the zip ties. Because at that moment I knew I had made a terrible mistake. Or I didn't know, but I was about to learn. And you will too. Oh yeah, just pull it out, right? No big deal. Oh, it was a big deal. Ah, it's not too bad. It's fine. You just pull it out of there. Yep. Oh, we got it. It was like giving a 5-year-old a bait caster and them trying to cast. This thing got knotted up. I don't know. It was terrible. This is me probably a half an hour later after I was able to get about 60 feet of the wire out. Putting on a turnbuckle, which is a nightmare because these hands don't stop moving. So you get these little set screws. It comes with the little socket wrench. You can tighten it into the turnbuckle. Oh, there's the boss just leaving. Telling me to hurry up. You would hook it on there, but you know, the GoPro didn't aim there. But here, a good look. Hook the turnbuckle to the loop. Do your little clampy dilly whopper on there. Tighten it. And then you're going to tighten the turnbuckle until your wire is nice and taut. Or tight. Taunt is a fun word though. Don't get to use that very often. Anyways, now that we got the wire nice and tight here, we're going to start attaching your string lights. Now the kit comes with zip ties. They're pretty flimsy and cheap, but they did the job. I'm only going to show a couple here because I think we all know how to use zip ties. I wish I was wearing jeans. It would have been easier to get these wire cutters out, or diagonal cutters, whatever you want to call them. Once you get them all up, you're going to realize that you do not know how to use a tape measure. And you got to bust out the Christmas hangers for the gutter. Because my design was flawed. But that's okay. We make mistakes. We adapt. I use these little Christmas hangers. Work like a charm. Boss is yelling at me again to hurry up. So, time lapse. Yeah, I'm just zip tying them all, making them nice. And the final reveal. She's a beaut, Clark. And you know what I appreciate about you is you watch to the end. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share it to somebody you care about.